I just got a new package. It took more than 2 weeks to arrive from China. I was afraid it won't deliver, but it did. So let's see what's inside. I am excited, I have to admit. I am desperate to see how it looks, but opening the package with only one hand is a challenge. I am building my video filming setup for night events. And I only paid about $15 US. And it's finally there. I think it looks solid and cute. This light has warm and cold colors. You can just twist the knob left and right and also adjust intensity. What do you think about this low price light? You think is a good option? Would you buy it? Let me know your comments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.